In this installation we have two zone valves, one for upstairs and one for downstairs. These can be wired back to the indoor unit and they're wired as follows. Your earth connected to the earth block, the neutrals can be used any neutral here, so we can pick one here. And one slightly above it. And now we have zone 1 and zone 2 to power. So here we have two connections, 102.1 for zone 1 and 102.2 for zone 2. As mentioned before, the green corresponds to the green push connectors and the orange corresponds to the orange push connectors. Therefore, we know that this is zone 1, so we put that into 102.1, push in, and the live for zone 2 is 102.2, just directly below it for the orange, and simply push through. Make sure to just give it a quick tug, see everything is okay. All tightly in. That is your zone valves wired.